How to check if flash memory drive has genuine storage capacity or not. So if you want to check if flash memory drive has genuine storage capacity or not, then what you need to do is first you just need simply watch this video. So due to manufacturing defects or if the product is counterfeit, we don't get the storage capacity that it claims. It may happen that a 32 gigabytes flash memory has an actual storage capacity of just 8 gigabytes, or it may have no storage capacity at all. To test our flash memory drive for such problems, we can perform the H2 test. H2testw is a tool for testing storage media for the genuinity of its space that it claims. We can download the H2testw files from the internet. You just need simply go and download it. Once it is downloaded, connect your flash memory drive to your Windows system, then open the downloaded H2testw files. After that, you can just simply go with the exe file, or you will have H2testw application right here. Just right click on it and then open, or just double click on it and you'll get this kind of interface. If you don't understand this, you can go with English. And here you need to go with select target and then go and select your flash drive. After selecting, you need to just simply go and click on the available space to test the complete drive. Then click on Write plus Verify to begin the testing. This process will take quite a few minutes depending on your capacity, so please be patient. The tool will first write self-generated H2W files of size 1 gigabyte each to the drive for our 32 gigabytes flash memory. There will be around 30 such files. If the writing process goes well, then this will complete the write test for the drive. Otherwise, the tool will raise a write error after the write test is completed. After that, the verification process starts. The tool will read those H2W files and look for any corrupt data while reading. If there are no errors, the test will pass. Otherwise, the tool will raise errors. Once the tests are completed, we can delete the H2W files from the flash memory drive. To disconnect your flash drive, always eject it first and then disconnect it. So this is how we can generally test that if the flash drive generally offers the storage capacity that it claims to offer. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.